Welcome to our humble abode.
Today we're going to give you a tour of our new rig. And Mel says it's the most level we've been since in the driveway, so looking promising. You know the really amazing thing? This site is approximately a 7-minute drive from our house. Imagine that. All right, so I'm going to give you a little tour of the outside of our new to us trailer. So first of all is the garage. We really like the magnetic clips to hold the door in place, so we can easily get all our stuff in. Next, we've got our friction hinge door, which we had to lube a bit because it was too frictiony, but now it's just perfect. So it stays even if there's wind. We have the fold-out kind of stairs, which are not quite as secure as the ones that come out and hit the ground. However, we like these better because when they get dirty and wet, they stay outside of the trailer versus the ones that fold up, you get all your dirty and wet inside the trailer. It's got our little bar to hang on to, of course. And the feature you've all been waiting for, outdoor kitchen, which used to have a bar fridge, but we took out because we're going to be boondocking mostly and we just don't need a bar fridge. So it nicely stores our outdoor barbecue. That really dinged. Another feature that a lot of trailers didn't have that I like is the fact that it has a ladder already pre-installed. So even when you're out boondocking, you can climb up onto your roof and check things out. While I'm up here, another great feature that was already pre-installed are vent covers. So those vent covers mean that even if it's pouring rain, we can have our vents open and get lots of fresh air. On this side, there's not a whole lot. Our slide, of course, which gives us lots of interior room. That comes with a slide cover as well, which is excellent because if you've got rain or snow or stuff on top of the slide, this protects it. And we've got the other side of our garage with that nice magnetic clip. And we've got an outdoor shower. So even if we're boondocking like this, we can turn on the pump and shower things off or shower off our feet if we're on the beach, whatever. And around the front here, we've got a light by the tongue in case you're doing stuff at night, and electric tongue jack. That's about it. Now let's go over to Mel and have a look at the inside of the trailer.
Come on in. So one of the first things that really impressed us about this trailer was just the sheer amount of storage. There is storage above and beside the bed. It's a queen size bed, by the way. Then there's storage in the entertainment unit, above the sink, under the dinette bench. We have this massive, huge, double floor to ceiling height, all storage. Like, we haven't even been able to fill it yet. And then there's also another big area of storage in the bathroom above the toilet area. So that was really, really cool for us. We thought just we'll be able to fit anything and everything for long-term travel. It'll be perfect. The other thing that we really, really love is that we were able to find the trailer with a separated bedroom. So we each have doors on our bedroom side of our bed, rather, that we can close and open. So And they're good latches too. They're not these plastic straps. They're these like proper metal latches. And so I can close the door. And I can open the door. So yeah. And then we've got a pretty large kitchen area here. Pretty large fridge. We're pretty happy with it. Again, not enough stuff to be able to fill it. Although we're just on a short trip right now. And then in the bathroom, again, we have a pretty good sized bathroom. We can walk in without tripping over a toilet. We can shower very comfortably. We'll let you see the size of this shower stall. It's a good size. And then again, more storage above the toilet. So yeah, we're pretty happy with it. The one thing that we didn't get was the super light whites and gray interiors, but it's still fairly light in here, and we can change that. We can put up, you know, different wallpaper if we want. Right, Benny? Benny is settling in fairly well, right? But he loves looking out the windows. Huge windows in the kitchen, in the dinette. We really, really like that. I'm trying out the cast iron pot for the first time, and I'm gonna make some soup. So I've got my onion, and then I'm gonna add to that some hot Italian sausage meat, and some vegetables, broth. Yeah, we'll see how it turns out. I'm winging it. So the soup turned out pretty good. After the sausage meat and the onion, I also added in some celery, some carrots, some spinach, some, what else did I put in here? Parsley, and what's that cabbage called? Savoy cabbage? I don't know, some kind of fancy cabbage. Anyways.
Looks good enough to eat.
It's pretty tasty. It's very green. But it tastes really good. Oh, and chicken stock, of course. Yeah.
Healthy soup.
Healthy soup. So that's our new rig. We really like it so far. It's been working really well. And more to come.
Yeah, it's great. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, leave comments, share with your friends, etc., etc. And remember, when you roam, everywhere is home.
I think I'm in the wrong key.
What do you call this thing? A friction. Next we've got our friction door. Is that where the happens? Oh, I don't know about that.
We butchered that, but that's okay. That's the first time I picked up that ukulele in months, so...
Cheers to that.
Cheers to that.